Hello everyone, I'm Lori Ryan and welcome to the Lorignite YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is igniting AI success for everyday learners. Let me take off my glasses because I think it's important you see my face, right? When you see the description for this YouTube channel, you're probably thinking, why the heck is she outside? Shouldn't she be sitting down at a computer showing her screen? And yes, when I am doing actual tutorials and doing show and tell, I will be sitting at a computer. But when we're just having a conversation, I feel most comfortable outside when I'm talking to folks. And I needed this to feel more like a conversation than talking at someone. So that's why we're outside. And so I appreciate you coming along on this walk with me. You're probably asking yourself, why would I listen to someone like Lori Ryan? A few reasons. One, my work experience. I am in dog terms a complete mutt. In the almost 35 years I've been working, I've done TV news producing for more than a decade, retail operations management. Oh, how about that, son? And then also nearly 10 years in IT project management. So having that breadth of experience gives me a perspective some others might not have. Additionally, I'm passionate about it, I'm curious, and I care. And I really hope that we are going to build a community together where you come, you ask me questions, and I'm able to help you navigate the different tools. Not only will there be tips and tricks for how to use the tools, but what to be thinking about, considerations if you want to introduce to your business, ethical, responsible use, and equity. I want to stress, I am not an expert. I'm not going to pretend to be an expert. I'm just someone inviting you along to learn with me. All right, take care. Again, subscribe, share, get on board, and I look forward to getting to know you.